Traders, I'm looking at the pound CAD daily chart. This has cleared this level here. My next target is the highs above here. We've got this gap to trade through. This is a bearish imbalance on the daily time frame. So the imbalance runs from this level through to here. Okay, so it's now trading into it. I'm going to set up a target midway through the imbalance. So that will be target 1. Second target will be above. I'll just copy and paste. And T2 is the high here, candle body. Okay, T1 midway through the imbalance. It's currently trading into this level here. We might see it pull back. Let's just have a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so it's extended out. Yeah, it's eating up any buy stops that are resting up in here. So just understand that this has tapped into this liquidity pool. All right, so we're talking buy stops sitting up in here, liquidity pool. Let's mark it up. So we've got that on the chart. All right, so that's eating into that at the moment. So I'm just wondering whether we see a bit of a reaction off this level in through here. Pull back, 4-hour time frames. Look, I mean, it's trending really nicely. This is sweet. Look at it. Oh, I love it when, I see price action, giving me a really clean trend. Now, the thing that you want to be mindful of is this. And one tool that I do like to use is the anchored VWAP, and we can place that at the low. See how far away from this midline we are currently, this is currently trading. This is the mean. Let's just grab a pencil. We have 1, 2, and now 3 deviations out from the mean. So just be a little bit careful here. So we're looking at the London session at the moment. I'm thinking possibly we get a pullback into the New York session tonight. That would interest me. I mean, it's pretty overextended, but that's also telling us that, it's a fairly strong trend. In any case, I'll just take that out. I'm thinking Fibonacci low to high gives us that. Let's just have a look at it on the 1H. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to pull back into the mean as I showed before. It's currently overextended, but what you'll find will very often occur. In fact, let's do that. Let's just mark this up again. I want to show you this. Just set it up from here. What you'll find with a trend is it'll set up some really nice price action, and traders will get comfortable on the expansion retrace buy. Expansion retrace buy. This one was a bit of a surprise. Okay, so that one took out stops that are sitting under here. You want to watch out for that. So we get expansion retrace buy. Okay, expansion retrace buy, expansion. Watch out for that. And this is something that definitely can occur if this is trading into a liquidity pool like this. It may or may not. I mean, this could continue on, but I guess what I'm saying is you want to allow for the possibility that will surprise you. Here, look. Okay, there it is, right? Same price action right there. That one. And at some stage, and you're going to find that this will occur when when price is extended out. Now, see how this is pulled out to the third deviation, and then look at how it retracted. Right. So again, this is pulled out. It's pulling into this 3 deviations out. So just watch out for that, I guess is what I'm saying. This pulled out here as well. See. Right out to this extreme, and then look at the pullback right into the back into the mean. So trade with caution. Let's just reset that. Trade with caution. Yeah, look, here it is. And you get this deep pullback that takes out stops, and then another one here. All right, so this is the thing that we're up against at the moment if you're going to be intraday trading. So how to get involved with this? Oh man, I'm torn between wider stops and going in with tight stops. If you're trading when the market has overexpanded, I'm going to go with the wider stop. If I'm trading where the market has pulled back into the mean, for example, here you can go with a fairly tight stop. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is for the benefit of a lot of people who are following me at the moment. All right? Market pulls away. I'm going to go with a wider stop. So in that case, here, let's just say we enter on this pullback. You would normally, look for a tight stop under the previous low like that. But I'm inclined to take it out a bit. Trading back down in here if this is an entry here, long position there, see how we've traded back down into, or heading back into this white line here. You don't have to have such a wide stop. If it's trending right out, and let's just say, well, here's an example. Look, let's say we're looking at this price action here. Buy, okay, buy. Yeah, you want to be careful because, well, here we go. Look, let me just take this one. This is now overextended. I'll throw in another circle. Buy. Let's just say that's your entry point. There's a tight stop, and we've traded out from the mean. Look where this white line is back down in here. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to point out here. That's when this is most likely to happen. All right, have a look at this trend, and that's where it's occurring. So if I'm going to be buying here and I decide to go in there, I'm going to go with a wider stop, guys. I'm just going to do that. Go for a wider stop. Look, that's a 1.9R. This is a stop loss under this low over here. There. Okay, it's giving us a bit of room to breathe. There's a target T1 under this resistance. If this happens to trade like so, then so be it. I'll then pull my stop loss up to break even, better than break even fairly quickly. All right, so that's what I'm doing at the moment, guys. Okay, depending on how the trend's shaping up, I'll either go with a tight stop if it's trading back to the mean, or if it's trading out from the mean, a couple of deviations out, I'm going to go with a wider stop. What are we on here? This is a 1 hour chart. Go down to a 30-minute or a 15-minute. But that pretty well covers it, really. That's my take. Look at this. See? I'll just show you. So look, use the anchored VWAP if I have indicators that I use that give me all this, and but this is a public indicator here. It's free, and it's a really good tool. There's the mean. So just understand that at some stage, if it's overextended, you'll get a deep pullback. And with that, I will leave you with this to contemplate. And I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next video. Pound CAD.